Varanasi or Banaras, also known as Kashi, is one of the oldest living cities in the world. Call it the holiest city in the world, the oldest city, city of light, or city of temples. But why is it called so? The land of Varanasi, Kashi, has been the ultimate pilgrimage spot for Hindus for ages. Hindus believe that if someone dies there, they will be free from being born again. It's a place of Shiva, the Mahadev, the god of gods, destroyer of evil. The Ganga in Varanasi is believed to have the power to wash away the sins of mortals. For over 3000 years, Varanasi has been a hub of learning and civilization. According to legend, the Ganga river originates from the hair of Lord Shiva, and in Varanasi, it becomes a mighty river we know. Just 10 kilometers away lies Sarnath, where Buddha delivered its first sermon after enlightenment. It has been a flourishing center for knowledge, philosophy, culture, devotion to God, Indian arts and crafts for centuries. Additionally, Varanasi is a significant pilgrimage site for Jains, believed to be the birthplace of Parshvanath, the 23rd Tirthankar. Life revolves around the sacred river Ganga because its water produces ideal cropland. People use it for transportation, fishing, and hydroelectric energy. Varanasi is associated with the promotion of spiritualism, Sanskrit, yoga, and the Hindi language, and honored authors such as the ever famous novelist Premchand and Tulsidas, the famous saint poet who wrote Ramcharitmanas. All the 18 Mahapurans, starting from Bhagavata to Shiva, come to the conclusion that Varanasi is the holiest of all the places in creation. As per the internet, there are 23,000 temples in Varanasi, which makes the land of Varanasi the ultimate pilgrimage spot for Hindus for ages and calls it City of Temples. One of the 12 Jyotirlings, Kashi Vishwanath, is present there. At last, Mark Twain, one of the famous English authors, once wrote, "Banaras is older than history, older than tradition, older even than the legend, and looks twice as old as all of them put together." For more interesting videos, keep on watching NewsX.